They've been having this program for almost a year now. And they started it, Melvin Wampavora, Fanai Castro, and Keith Suico. We're going to meet them a little bit later. Back in 2008, they were awarded a grant from the Guam Humanities Council to start a youth outreach project called Spoken Word, New Generation of Native Tongues. From October 2008 to today, they ran free after-school poetry writing and performance workshops. Keyword, free, all for teenagers at the Sinangan-ta Community Center, at the Guam Project, and here at the Gay Theater. What's going to happen is they're going to press up all the poems and they're going to put them into book form, and then those books will be donated and put at all the public high schools after today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just the beginning. That's my man, Tamayo, too, right there. Anyway, just to